everyone, how are you today? And welcome to Letscookolet. We're gonna show you today how to make Mediterranean potato salad. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna bring the potato salad to one level up. We're not gonna boil potatoes, we're gonna roast the potatoes. We're not gonna boil eggs, we're gonna bake the eggs. So let's start it here. What I have here, about 1.5 pound of potatoes, quarter cup asparagus, 3 large eggs or 4 medium eggs, half a cup olive oil, and half a cup green olive, and about quarter cup chopped red onion. So let's start here with the potatoes, and we're gonna braise it a little bit with the olive oil and put them in the oven. So when chopping the potatoes here, 4 slices, I'm using the medium size. Now you don't have to cut them too big. This is perfect like that. Here we go. I'll do it a little quicker. And usually in the oven, the potatoes takes between 12 to 14 minutes. So depends on the oven you're using or the size of your dicing. So I will say with about 10 minutes we should check it out and take a look at it, see how it is. Here you go. It's going to be a nice, healthy potato salad. No mayonnaise in it, no nothing, and it's a good side dish for hamburger, for Italian sausage, for school, for park. It's a good side dish. And it's gonna be nice and tasty. Here we go. We're almost done. I don't do any cut, I do everything from scratch. Now if you have time and you want your potato diced a little bit bigger, that should be fine, no problem. And always don't forget to wash your potato. And what I'm using here is a pre-washed potatoes, a red potato, red skin potatoes. Goes very well with for the potato salad, the one we're making. So what I need here, just a little bit of pepper, and I need just a little drizzle of olive oil, just to wax it in the oven so we'll have them roast. Voila, here we go. Now just give it a little mix. Look at that. Now we'll have a tray here, just give a little quick cooking spray so it won't stick. Now make sure your oven, it's on the 400 degrees, it's already preheated. So when you put your potato, you put it on a preheated in the preheated oven on 400. Voila, here we go. And the eggs, just throw it right here in between the potatoes. Here we go. Voila. Voila, here we go. Open your oven. And I use the countertop oven, it does the job perfectly. Here we go. Now it's about 10 minutes. We'll check it out and should be almost ready to go. Yeah. And in the meantime, chopping some red onion here. I have about a quarter cup or a small red onion. We're gonna chop here. But in the meantime, our eggs and potato should be almost ready. And there's one thing here I forgot to show you. I give it a little knock here. I crack the eggs a little bit before I put it in the oven to bake it, so the egg won't explode in the oven. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna take my eggs first. Here we go, fully down in the water, so we can peel them easy after. And for the potato, just to grab one random one like this one here, and just give it a little crack. If it break easy, that means your potato ready to go for potato salad. Perfect. So we're gonna take it out here, let it cool down a little bit. Voila, look at that, nice, here you go. And this potato salad, you can serve it either cold or warm. If you serve it warm, it tastes so well, so it's so nice. So now let's finish up our things here. We have the red onion, and we're gonna chop them fine chop. Voila, let's start putting it in the bowl here. Voila, and now we have I have about half a cup of green olive. Here we go. And we're gonna give it a little chop as well. You can use it the whole or chop. I like to chop it better so the flavor will transfer all over the potato. Here we go. Some asparagus would be nice. This is an option. If you don't have it, it's fine. If you have it, add it to it. It will be good. Here we go. Now let's bring our potatoes into the bowl here. Yummy. Look at this. Nice. Now the reason why I roast the potato better than boiling, because the especially for red skin potato, when you roast them, doesn't change the color for the skin, and it tastes so good. It tastes so well. Now we have here half a cup olive oil. Just pour it all over. Nice. Voila. And we need some salt here. Now remember, don't put a lot of salt because we already put salt before we roast them. And I need just a little bit of pepper on top. I'm using here the cheese grater. Use it for the eggs. On the side. Voila, here we go. And now when you mix your potato salad, always remember, mix it with a spatula so you don't break your potatoes. It stay nice and firm. Voila, looking nice. Let's plate it and start eating. Can't wait. Yummy. Yummy. Look at this here, eh? That's good to go. That's good enough for 5 or 6 people to have it as a side dish for a burger, for Italian sausage, as I said, or things like that. And let's just throw a little garnish on top, some parsley. Voila. Nice. And here you go. This is your Mediterranean potato salad. Healthy, tasty, easy to make. Exactly what I was expecting. Tastes amazing. Unbelievable. I love it. Well, thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and like so we can serve you better. Take care.